Good morning, guys. How are you doing? Yes, so morning musings this morning is coming from my kitchen. Ta-da! There we are. We're in the kitchen. Now, I wasn't really sure what I was going to do today. I really didn't know. Kind of been sitting there for the last 2 hours going, what am I going to have for breakfast? I need to have something because I've got to take my meds, right? And you got to take your meds, you got to take some food. Yeah. So, today I'm going to be using up some of the leftovers from last night's dinner to make more breakfast. I blame BuzzFeed. I just blame BuzzFeed for this one. Okay, so basically I've got some of the butter chicken and the veg, and I've got some cheese. I also have a couple of wraps. Alright, so all I have to do now, I mean obviously if you'd used unboned chicken you wouldn't have to do this bit first thing in the morning, but we didn't, so I grabbed a couple of the chicken drumsticks out and just gonna take all the meat off of those. Yum yums. Oof. Oh, it's all in my fingers. This is not my favourite job, I'm not gonna lie. I'm a bit funny with sticky things being on my fingers, don't like it. But, you know, it is what it is. So, we're just gonna get all that off there. Easy peasy. Right. And I'm just gonna wash my hands in the sink. Get the shit off my hands. Yeah. Alright. Okie dokie. Now I'm going to bring you over to the fry pan. But before I do that, go hit the subscribe button, tickle the little bell icon, and give us a thumbs up. Okay, so we're going to turn this on to about a medium. I'm going to stick our wrap there. Then we're going to put half of this cheese. So I don't want too much cheese, because just don't. My flavour testings, I'd rather have 2 with half as much stuff than have a big 1. Okay. And then we're going to put half our chicken and veg on here. Actually, I might cut that down a bit. Chop it up a bit. Give me a knife. I need a knife. Whoop, got a knife. Break it up so it can go further across the whole thing. Meep. There we go. Get off my finger. Right. Here he is. That do. I'm just waiting for the chicken to kind of, well, not the chicken to melt, the cheese to melt. Jesus. Can you tell it's morning yet? Like, seriously. Right. What I want to do is want to fold those over like that. And get that to flip like that. Ta-da! Alright. Okay, we're doing good. Now we can do 2 of those at once. Just got to be a bit clever about it. Okay. There we go. Put our cheese here. Here's. Okay, our chicken and stuff put on those. Cut that up while it's there, melting up our cheese and stuff. No bother doing that. These seem to have the small bits in, so it's not such a bother. Right, bring it up. Fold that over there. Fold that over like that, and flips. Yay! I'm going to have a look at that one. Seems to be making some rather nice. And ooh, it's gonna be yummy. That's what we want right there. Oh. Okay. Right. This one, I think. Yep, that one's done. Pop that over there. Yummy, yummy. We is done. Like a dinners. Well, we're done like a breakfast anyway. Right, I need a knife and fork. Nope. Let's get a knife and fork. I'm gonna head to my desk because it's easier that way. Yeah, I've got the cat under my feet, which is why the door got shut, because she's being a bit needy. She's been fed, so she's lying. Okay, I'm just telling you now. Whatever she tells you, it's a lie. Okay? Right. So we basically got some really yummy leftover butter chicken root vegetable wraps. Yum! With about half cheese, well, less than half the cheese that most people use on them, that I've seen used on them. I only used a centimetre off the block for this, which is around about the same amount you'd use for a sandwich if you were making a cheese sandwich. So I'm not that bothered about that. Also, we know what went into the butter chicken, so we don't have a problem with that either. And they're wraps, so it's less bread than it would be if it was toast or a bun or a big baguette. So again, softly, softly, catchy monkey. And it took us like 10 minutes. You know? I'd rather have this and sit down and take that 10 minutes out of my day and just chill and watch my favourite YouTubers or read up on my friends and what's going on with them and, you know, talk to some people over breakfast than I would do if I was having to quaff down Rice Krispies, because sliminess just does not do it for me, I'm afraid. So anywho, yeah, so be good to yourselves, you know. Breakfast doesn't have to be horrible, it doesn't have to be soggy, it doesn't have to be done in a rush. It can be quick and it can be simple without being done in a rush and you ending up having to eat it while you eat it, walking or whatever. If you wanted to, you could actually wrap these and take them with you if you had to, but you don't really need to. So, you know, just be good to yourself and look after yourself, because you have been asleep for X amount of hours and you need to have something in your stomach, okay? So that's my mummy advice there. Breakfast is important, okay? And it's really, really important for people like me who have to take meds in the morning. If you have to take meds in the morning, a breakfast cookie is not going to do it. Okay, it does not line your stomach properly. It can still cause issues with medication because your stomach doesn't see that it's full. Okay, it doesn't register, and the meds can be quite nasty. So please do eat your breakfast, kids, okay? It's important. Look after you. I love you lots. Be kind to each other. Bye.